What's up, YouTube? This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Hope you've had a great day. It's been kind of a crazy week, and a lot of things have happened with the stock market. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video so we keep growing the channel. We really appreciate all the support and all the comments and all the likes that we've gotten thus far. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Remember, this is TruLife Investing. $25 into the account each week on Friday, and we're going to grow this account from scratch all the way up to tens of thousands of dollars. We're the first ones that are going to do it. This is not just some other $500 challenge or $1,000 challenge. We started from zero, and we're going to grow it, and you're going to see it right here every single day that there's trading, and we're going to make this happen. We're going to be very transparent, and you're going to see everything, and that's what I'm about to show you right now. So, wow, man. Okay, so this past week, I went ahead and drew up this chart right here. In 3 days, the Dow Jones dropped 1,100 points. One day it dropped 700 points, and then the next day it went up 300 points, and then the next day it went down 700 points. You got to think, man, what's going on? How do we combat that? How do we still make money whenever something like that happens that's so powerful to pull the stock market down like it did? So one of the things that we got to think about is whenever we're looking at our account, we have $235 in there of our own money in there, and then right now there's only 56 bucks. We're $178 in the negative from what we put in there. There's 75% negative that we lost this past Friday. You got to think like, man, we're losing money. Not exactly. Because what we have is we're not invested into stocks, we're invested into options. And so that means that we have this full week to allow these options, they're called call options, to grow up and gain value so then we can sell them off for a profit. We did it last week. That's how we were able to make it was like 146% increase in one day. We're looking to do that again, and we're gonna bring this and show you this every single day. So what I'm gonna actually go through is talk to you about what stocks you should choose, because you got to think about it. When everything is going down, you got to ask yourself, what stocks are safe? What should I invest in? And I want to show you what I've invested in, what call options I have, and then show you why I did it, so that you can see what it takes to actually grow whenever the whole market is going down, especially when it goes down 1,100 points in 3 days. So that's crazy. So one of the things we're going to look at is our first one is we have a GPS call. Look at its 3-month growth. So this is the tag for its GPS. This is from Gap. Right here, there was an announcement that Kanye West had made a deal with Gap to produce a Yeezy line of clothing. So that just literally shot the stock up. And then over the weekend, it's been people have been digesting it, so we expect a huge increase this coming week because it's such a famous brand and it's so well known that's going to help to increase the stock price. And then we can also see over the past 3 months, it's gaining, it's in the positive. So let's go to our next option, Peloton. So Peloton has been doing so well because with the pandemic, people haven't been able to go outside, they haven't been able to go to the gym, so they brought the gym to their home. They bought these spikes, they bought these treadmills, and it's really increased the Peloton stock tremendously. You can see over the past 3 months, 135% increase. That is insane when it comes to a company's stock to increase that much in that short amount of time. That's why we chose this stock. And that's why we chose to put a call option that we're saying we made a contract with somebody that this stock is going to grow over this next week, and then it'll get into the positive. We put that call on, and we'll make some money. The next one is Visa. Over the past 3 months, 17% increase. Visa's been around for a while, and you got to look at, with it already being at $188 and it's still increasing, it's a great stock to have. Next one is Discover Financial. They've had a 26% increase. So you see, there's a consensus that every single stock that we've chosen over the past 3 months, even though there's been the pandemic, even though that a ton of stocks have been going down, even though there's been a lot of volatility in the market, when you choose stocks that have a track record of doing well for the past 3 months, especially during this pandemic, then there's more of a chance that it's going to continue to do well and we can make money off of these stocks. The last one we're going to pull up is Plug. And so Plug has grown 90%. Every single one of these stocks, we're betting that they're going to grow this week, and we have till Friday to allow them to grow and produce a gain for us in our portfolio. And if they do, if it's tomorrow, if they produce, which actually tomorrow, today, if they produce a great gain, then we're going to go ahead and sell them off, make our money, and then move on to the next options. And so that's the whole point of our portfolio and what we've chosen to make call options on. So whenever we look at, this past week, that was crazy. Huge decline. And then it consolidated, went up a little bit, and then it huge decline again. So this is something that not a lot of people would be able to handle. But think about it, beginners. If you're beginning trading, if you're new to investing, this is gonna happen. And a lot of people would look at this and go crazy because how are you not nervous that you've lost so much money in your account? Not at all, because I don't have them in the shares, I have them as options. With call options, they have time to mature and gain and get you a good gain. So that's definitely something that you want to keep in mind, that whenever we're looking at this, it's not really what it's truly worth, because today, with the futures trading yesterday on Sunday, they were up. And so if they're up on Sunday, then you can bet that a lot of people are looking to invest and go into it Monday as the stock increases, and there'll be more people purchasing, and our stocks will grow, and then we'll be in the positive for the stocks. So remember, this is full transparency. I'm showing you everything that I'm investing in. I'm showing you the ups, I'm showing you the downs. I'm being fully transparent to show you what TruLife Investing is all about. We're not cutting any corners. We're learning as we go. We're continuing to learn, and we're bringing this entire journey to you. So remember, if you want to start a RobinHood account, my link is down in the description. Get you a free stock. Or if you want to start a Webull account, we've been trading with Webull too, and we're going to bring more of that content to the channel as well. And that link is down in the description. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, because I'm getting a lot of news. I'm staying on top of everything that's happening with the stock market, and I'm definitely going to tweet it out for those that aren't able to follow it as closely as I am. I want to help you out, and I want to help everybody out so we can continue to benefit, we can grow, and we can all increase our portfolio and get to that financial freedom. So thank you for all the support. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and just remember that it's full transparency. You're gonna see everything, the ups and the downs. Remember, this is Joel with TruLife Investing. You have